Now this is the problem that you see with gaskets. See all this dirt? See all this gasket that's stuck here? So when you put the gaskets on, all of a sudden, even if you don't have any gasket dope, you have this big mess you have to clean up. It still sticks. And I tried this stuff, greases and things, and it didn't fix anything. So this time, I'm going to use this stuff right here. Look at this. I've never heard of anyone ever using anti-seize. So I'm going to put anti-seize on the gasket, on both sides of the gasket, and then put the engine together. And I don't think it's going to leak. I can't see how it's going to leak. So I'm really hoping this is going to be great, and if I ever take the engine apart, I'd never have a problem taking it apart. So I'm going to try anti-seize, and I'm going to put it on the gaskets after I clean this up. And I got this partially cleaned here. I got this cleaned.